Ayan, kamusta ang lahat? I'm here doing my unboxing again. Kasi holidays ngayon, kaya maraming unboxing, daming order. So, kamusta ang lahat? Manood lang kayo sa akin, ha? Marilyn is here again. Ano lang to, ibang video. Okay? Unbox tayo. Ito, binuksan ko na tong box lang, pero hindi ko pa ito sinakita. So, ito ang kanyang box. Let's see what is it. In-order ko ito. Bulol na sa North Dome again. So, this is the bag. Kate Spade. Maganda ito. Kayo, namili na ba kayo? Okay. Nagtitinda kasi ako ng bag. Tara! O, diba ang cute? Ang cute, diba? Look at that. So cute. And then, na-adjust yung crossbody niya. Ako kasi pag nag-crossbody ako, ayaw ko yung mahaba. Gusto ko lang yung yung hanggang dito lang sa Nakaupo lang ako dito sa room kasi hindi naman talaga ako wala lang. Nire-record ko lang to, tas ini-video ko. Lagay ko sa YouTube. Hindi ba? Tas top handle. Pwede mo to siyang tanggalin. Detachable naman siya eh. I like this like this. Yung ilagay mo lang sa yung top handle lang yung gagamitin. Di ba? Pero i-listing ko muna to sa aking website sa Postmark. Binta ko muna siya. Di ba? The price of this bag was ang mahal pala ha. $399. Pero binili ko lang siya ng secret kasi ibinta nga natin. Kaya secret na lang siya. Okay? So let's put it back. Kasi nga ibinta muna natin siya. It's so cute. And the color, I do like the color. Okay, put back in the plastic. Tapos mag-unbox tayo ulit. Lagyan natin ito para hindi siya masira. Kasi pag bininta na natin, maganda pa rin siya. So, isold natin siya sa box niya ulit. I-listing ko siya. At ako'y may time na. If you guys interested of buying bags, check my listing on Postmark under Rochelle Den. My account there is Rochelle Den. Oh, this is from Coach. Again, I just opened the box para but hindi ko pa siya nakita actually. So, let's see. Diba ang ganda ang ganda, okay? Open that. Open this. And we put it inside the gas bag already. Ta-da! Ta-da! Let's see. Let's see the bag. This is the crossbody bag. And this is the bag. Oh. This is a plain one. Nothing, it says Coach, so I like it. This is expensive. I bought it the regular price, I think. See, in the US $395. Sa Canada is $480. It's so cute. Ang ganda ng pagka-leather niya. genuine glove tanned leather. So, very cute. Hindi na lang natin ito anuhin kasi binta ko muna siya just in case. But the bag is so cutie. Nothing, you cannot see some logos. It's just the little C right here. It's his Coach. And this is the crossbody bag. But again, we're not gonna open it because I'm going to sell this one in my Postmark accounts. So you guys, if you are interested again buying bags, please check out my Postmark accounts. It's called Rochelle Den. It's a combination of my kids' name. Romar, Shell, Rachel, Den, Raiden. So it's Rochelle Den. So we put back this one back in the box. So we can list this. I'm not sure if I will keep it or what, or I'm gonna change it, or I don't know. Let's see what's gonna happen, or if nobody buy it. And then this one, I didn't open it at all, so let's open it. And the box, a lot of paper. Oh, excuse me, it's a Donny and Borg bag. I don't know if everybody knows this brand, but sa Amerika kilala siya. Hindi ko lang alam sa Pilipinas. Uy, bagay to sa suot ko ngayon. Look, tada! This is the bag. I love it. I love it. It's a barrel bag. Look at the logo. Oh, it's so cute. This is the inside. It says, "Thank you for your order. You are appreciated. Any questions or concern, don't hesitate to reach out. Have a great day." Oh, nice. Love notes from the owner, because this is actually a vintage bag from Donny, but it looks fantastic. Looks new. Bagay na sa bag ko, sa suot ko today. Tada! Diba? Cute siya. Ngayon, wala naman siyang kakaibang cute pa din naman. Diba? I love it. Balik natin dito. This is my personal. Cute. Gamitin ko siya today. So, itong box ay ating i-save ang box na ito para pag sila naman ang bumili ng bag ko, may nagagamit ako. Itsa natin doon. So, let's review, or let's have my bag of the day. My bag of the day is my Marc Jacob bags. This is the laman. Ayan. Yan, ang cute, diba? So, parang parehas lang naman ng laman. May MAC na face powder, lotion, may handkerchief. Basta panyo siya. Tissue, lagayan ng candy, para sa buhok, hand sanitizer from Bath and Body, my AirPods, another tissue, my wallet from Coach. I love this because it's the quality is very durable. I used this for how many years already, and all my credit cards, some cash is right here. So it's very good because it's small. I used to like big wallets, but not anymore because if I use a small bags, doesn't fit. My car key, my comb, open, lip shiner, another sabok, and my ball pen again, some trash, and no more. That's it. And I like the quality of this bag. It's so durable. Like, I like the leather of this bag. It has fit over here as well, so it's nice. So let's transfer maybe in this, because it's matches my outfit today. So let's do it. Put back everything. Oh no, I don't know. Maybe later. I'm gonna sanitize it first. So lagyan na natin dito lahat. Mamaya ko na siya ilipat. Okay, mga friends. Tapos na tayo for our video today. Panoorin nyo ako palagi, ha? Tapos, mag-like, subscribe. I'm not sure about sharing, but if you guys want to share, thank you. I appreciate it. And don't forget, subscribe nyo ako. Love you all. Bye!